elon USD exchanges close $0, or so they for the most part thought. Dogelon Mars cost examination basically is negative today, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. elon's truly intraday volume especially remains at $1,078,656, which sort of is very huge. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on pressing issues. What truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars. Fundamentally is elon a kind of wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth, exhibiting that elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which most certainly is very critical, be that as it may. Prior to jumping kind of profound into the elon specialized investigation, explicitly let us for the most part discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they fundamentally thought, market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,136,850,397,543, so Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth, showing that elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in a significant manner. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume really remains at $47,516,158,315 kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, which especially shows what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, which sort of is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value lessening of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth, showing that elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline. Fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking, XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP especially is somewhere near 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an especially significant way. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market certainly is going in a descending heading for exceptionally present moment, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, showing that Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, showing that elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which by and large is very critical. As of now, for the most part broad in every way that really matters. Negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an essentially huge manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The fundamentally everyday outline of Dogelon Mars truly shows that the elon cost certainly has a truly descending development with a 2.51% decline and truly beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin in a real sense is remaining at $0, market capitalization $136,963,872 USD in an especially huge manner. elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $1,078,656 USD. Exhibiting how various elective digital currency, as Ethereum especially has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner, who basically are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Very much like for the most part is the situation for its substantially more unmistakable and by and large more settled cousins. The pioneers behind this fundamentally specific canine coin explicitly are obscure, showing how XRP, the very local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere around 6.93 and is of now exchanging at 42 cents. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. that fundamentally is to some degree a genuinely normal event for image coins. And financial backers certainly are very much instructed sort regarding because of truly a reasonable level of effort with generally secret coins to basically try not to succumb to malignant practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON in a real sense has been available for certainly a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, showing that Dogelon Mars cost examination especially is negative today in a kind of huge manner. What fundamentally makes Dogelon Mars exceptional, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars in a real sense utilizes a hilarious, especially comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, showing how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the ELON specialized examination, basically let us essentially discuss the very current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his for the most part goes through the stars. In every practical sense, a few short comics in a real sense are distributed on the coin's site that fundamentally follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he sort of meets companions and goes on experiences, which certainly is very huge. Dogelon Mars doesn't explicitly have a guide fundamentally, however rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics, which basically shows that ELONs in every practical sense. Intraday volume generally remains at $1,078,656 in a for the most part significant manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will truly need to battle for decently endurance against the Annihilators, which truly shows that after the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will generally need to battle for reasonably endurance against the Annihilators in a fundamentally significant manner. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin fundamentally is recorded on all exceptionally significant trades, the cost of ELON will in a real sense reach Mars, or, in sort of different words, it will exchange at a genuinely much certainly higher valuation, exhibiting how right now, a general certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could generally be implied, will fundamentally be an issue the local area will need to battle against. Essentially further appearance how the value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin really is remaining at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872 USD. Or so they sort of thought. By and by, ELON certainly is an image coin without especially much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask. Truly further appearance how these occasions generally show that the market truly is going in every practical sense. Descending bearing for all things considered, present moment, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, ENB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, showing that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, showing that ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner, notwithstanding. Taking into account it generally has a powerful mix of pretty a few exceptionally memorable credits in its title. Dogelon Mars